How I made 300 YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes for a faceless YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I bring you back with yet another great and informational topic. And in this topic, we are going to be discussing about how you can basically create YouTube shorts in bulk in just 30 minutes for an absolute faceless YouTube channel that you might have. Okay, and this video is going to be very helpful and very informational, that I can guarantee you. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end. And we all know that YouTube shorts are the thing nowadays. Like, most of the content creators out there are making YouTube shorts, because shorts are really easy to view. Like normal YouTube videos, you have to go ahead and click on the proper video and, give it a 2 to 3 minute watch. A short, on the other hand, is more like Instagram Reels or maybe TikToks. You just have to scroll and they automatically just keep on showing up in front of you. So that's the fun thing about YouTube Shorts. And, they also are a pretty good source of getting easy money. So that is what we're going to be discussing today. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to learn all the information and details that I have to provide you. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Okay, so to start things off, what we're going to be doing is we're going to come to our first tool, which is ChatGPT. Okay, now ChatGPT will allow us to make the script for our short. Okay, so before making the script, we first have to decide what is our niche. What will our channel's niche be? Okay, now it could be storytime videos, it could be movie recaps, it could be top 10 videos, it could be, some type of narration, it could be some type of voiceover, etc., etc. I'd say the best niche to make, in bulk videos is story time, because you just have to, like, have a good script, and then from there on out, you just need to voice over it or, text to speech it. So in our case, we will be text to speeching it, and I'm going to show you how to do this all in really easy steps. So first of all, you're going to come to this prompt section over here, and we're going to give it a prompt. So we're going to write, I have to make 300 YouTube shorts in an hour. Okay, let's say. Give me story time short horror scripts. Okay, so as you can see, it starts giving you scripts. Okay, now obviously this is just one script. Now once this script is done, you could go ahead, write down here, please give me another script, and then you can say another script, another script, another script, another script. So you can keep on asking it scripts, and as you can see, look at this. This is like a proper story with a proper script. And how much time did it take to make one script? What, like 10 seconds? So that's like out of this world. So that's 10 seconds to make one script. Now, we're going to convert this script into an audio, because, like, obviously you can go ahead and voice over this. Like, you can take a mic, like grab a mic, like what I'm doing. And once you grab a mic, from there on out, just go ahead and start talking. Okay, start talking into the mic, and that will just help you a lot. That will yeah, that will give you a wide range of aestheticness. So the other way, like, obviously it's a faceless video, but if you also want to keep it voiceless, then what you can do is we're going to do AI text to speech in this case. So for this, we're going to go to weed.io, weed as in VEED.io. Okay, this is a website where you can, create videos and stuff. Now, this website, like, the great thing about this website is that they actually have great editors with great AI. And in their AI, you can get amazing text to speech. Like, it's actually out of this world at how good it is. So to do text to speech, you're going to go over to audio. And once you go over to audio, you're going to click on text to speech. So once you click on text to speech, you're going to add in your text. Okay. So let me just add in a few. Yeah, let me just add in this much text right now. Copy that. Come here, paste it. There we go. Now, once you add in this much chunk of the text, wait a second, let me just get the irrelevant details out. There we go. Now, once you add in your text, you're gonna choose the voice that you want to voice your, voices. Obviously, you can take the samples.
The camera pans across a dimly lit living room.
I'd say, yeah, this voice is good. You're gonna choose your speed. Obviously, it's a horror story, so I'd like to keep it, slow and spooky. And then once you do that, you're gonna click on generate. Now, once you click on generate, it's obviously gonna generate the audio, and let's hear it out.
The camera pans across a dimly lit living room, revealing a dusty antique mirror hanging on the wall. In a small town, there was an old house that held a peculiar secret. Legend had it that a haunted mirror resided within its walls.
So as you can see, pretty good and pretty great stuff. Okay. So once you have your sample, you're just gonna download it from here. Okay. And once you download your audio sample, now you have your script, your sample. Now what you're gonna do is obviously we're gonna want images. Now for images, I would recommend Dolly too. You could also use stuff like Midjourney and all those other things, but personally, I would always recommend Dolly. Dolly is just the best. So we're gonna come over to Dolly. Okay, once you come to Dolly, you're gonna come here. Okay, OpenAI, Dolly, create realistic images, etc. And here you go. Start with a detailed description. Obviously, just go in and add, the necessary details that you can. So start with a detailed description. Let's say haunting mirror, realistic. Let's say entity, and let's say 35 millimeter calligraphy. And now once you, add your prompts and stuff in, you're just going to wait for it to load up. And now you can see that we have a look at that. Look at how spooky and, creepy this looks, like this or this or this. So pretty great stuff. And then you're just going to download your images, create it in this editor, create a video, and you're good to go. So as you can see, it like took us like what, 5 6 minutes to create one short. So you can create a lot of shorts in a short amount of time. So this is how you're going to do it, and this is how easy and simple it is to create these amount of bulk videos in a short time. So yeah, and it was absolutely faceless. You have no need to show your face or voice in it. Pretty great stuff. So yeah, I'd say, yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in bulk later on in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. And do remember that if you didn't understand anything or if anything was confusing, let me know down in the comments below and I will remove that confusion for you. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see all of you people next time. Goodbye.